welcome to our second episode of Native Cuisine Africa, and this second episode is particularly still about the Uganda region. We are taking you through how the banana food is cooked traditionally in the Uganda kingdom. I'm Kemi. The Uganda kingdom has a unique way of cooking their matooke. People here traditionally cook their matooke in banana leaves. Today we are taking you through that process. And we are cutting a banana from the banana plantation. Yes, traditionally here banana is known as the matooke. So we are carrying our matooke from the banana plantation after cutting it, and we bring it to a place called Egwatiro. Yes, and after putting a matooke to Egwatiro, we align our baskets. We prepare our baskets where we are going to be peeling our matooke from, and after preparing our baskets, we put in the banana fibers, then put in the banana leaves. We align the banana leaves in there. We start peeling our matooke like the way you're seeing. We are peeling our matooke, putting them in the already prepared baskets. After peeling our matooke, while other people are doing some other things, one of the things they are doing here is preparing our small eggplants. Traditionally, they are known as dakatunkuma. So we are going to prepare our katunkuma on top of our matooke today. And you see we are already finished peeling. We are covering our matooke and we are tying our matooke with banana fibers. You see how the whole process is going? After tying our matooke, we are carrying our matooke to the kitchen where it's going to be covered from. And then our matooke has reached to the kitchen. So before we start covering our matooke, we get a small round bottom which is made out of the banana fibers, the one you're seeing, the brown one. We place a saucepan on top of it so that we don't damage the kitchen purposely and also don't damage where we are to be a little bit tidy and organized. This is how traditionally the Baganda do it. And after we align the saucepan, inside we put in the stems of the banana leaves. Yes, they are locally known as a mizingonyo. After putting in a mizingonyo, then we start adding in some banana leaves, and then we bring our food which we tied and carried from the guacho, the place where we peeled from. We start putting in our food. We organize it properly in the saucepan, as you're seeing. And then we put in some green bananas, the way you're seeing on top. It's a ritual here. And after we start covering our matooke. You see the whole process. These ladies who are smartly dressed in busuti, they're doing it very, very nicely. And I love the way that we're gonna do. Uganda has this rich culture. When you're around Uganda, you see how rich this culture is. Our food is ready. It's almost like 2.5 hours of cooking this food, steamed in banana leaves. And these banana leaves add that unique aroma. Yes, and then we are squeezing our food. The fresh banana leaves you're seeing, they're specifically for insulation, so that our hands don't get burnt while squeezing the matooke. And then after squeezing our matooke, we are carrying our matooke to where we are serving it from our living room today. I can't wait for you to see it. And I mean, just a few seconds, she'll be unveiling how this matooke is looking like. And then look at our matooke. We are already serving our matooke, and we are putting. You remember those banana leaves which we used to cover the matooke? Yes, now they're all this dark green and all burnt, all like cooked. So that's what we're using. That's what we are putting them from where we're serving from. We don't use like plates here traditionally, so you just use the banana leaves and then you pour the food there, and then you use the very banana leaves to slice the matooke while serving people. I like the way you're seeing how it's done here. How does our matooke look? I'm telling you, this is how it's done and it's looking good. You see how hot it is? It's so sweet. It's nice when you eat it with different sauces. And in our next episode, that's our third episode about Uganda, we shall bring you the making of the sauce which accompany this incredible meal. I can't wait to share with you. Please keep commenting, keep sharing this video, and also most importantly, subscribe. Tell us what you would want us to show you next. We have a lot in stock for you, but however, your opinion and your your choice of video will be very, very much considered. Tell us what you would want us to show you, and here we shall bring it to you right to your living room or to wherever you always watch it from. Thank you so much. Enjoy this video and enjoy our next episode. I can't wait to share with you the Luwombo, but I mean, we always have to go. This is Native Cuisine Africa with Kami.